Meet the very charismatic Aladdin, ID number A4822610. He is a male, black and white, short-haired Chihuahua mix. We think he's about 7 years old. He came to the shelter as a stray on April 25th from the city of Linwood. He's about 7 pounds. He is a volunteer favorite. This guy is so curious, so friendly. He takes treats really, really well. He's very treat motivated. So if you've got treats, he wants to meet you. He's great with people. He'd be good with kids of any age. He needs a little bit of leash training. Once he sees that leash, he's ready to go. He would be good for anyone in any living situation. He'd be a great dog for a family living in an apartment or condo. He's got quite a bit of energy for a dog his size. He gets along well with other dogs his size. Like we said, he'd be great for children, and he looks so handsome with his little bow tie. So come down to the Downey shelter and meet this gorgeous little guy, Aladdin, today.